So today we will be going to discuss about the assignment part of the chapter, the French Revolution. So I had shared this assignment with you in the WhatsApp group. You can check and read the first question, Nurjot, if you have assignment with you. First question.
Yes, ma'am. First question is social disparity was one of the major reason of French Revolution. Justify with examples.
Okay. Social disparity क्या थी? If you have seen, मैंने आंसर की पीछे साथ ही दे दिया. Along with the map work. मैंने सब कुछ एक ही में डाल दिया है क्योंकि आप लोगों को फिर इधर उधर ढूंढते रह जाते हो. तो sometime you people are not able to see और sometime हम delete कर देते हैं कोई चीज. इसलिए मैंने साथ ही डाल दिया. Social disparity means social differences. Social disparity means social differences, which was there as I had started the chapter. When I started the chapter, first point I shared you that was the social cause, means first state, second state, and third state. So social disparity was one of the reason for this. You can say French Revolution, as first state, second state, they were getting the privileges, and third state were forced to pay the taxes. Third state were, you can say, in the huge amount, but the land part was very less with them, and they were bound to pay the taxes as the burden of the debt was increasing on the state. Will you be able to write these points? Prices of the breads were also increased. That is why the social disparity was seen over there. Rich section of society becoming more richer and poor section of society becoming more poorer. कोई doubt? Ishita, कोई doubt बेटा?
No, ma'am.
Okay, second question, Ishita.
Yes, ma'am. Which period of the French history is known as the Reign of Terror?
हाँ जी, which period of French history is known as Reign of Terror? कौन सा period था? 1793 to 1794. यही period था. This period was considered to be as a reign of terror under the
Yes, ma'am.
under the leadership of Maximilian Robespierre. And which group was there? Poor section of society was the member of this this group. Convention के members कौन थे? Poor section of society थे या नहीं थे? हाँ जी, Ishita, read the answer. Or you can create your answer. These are only key points I have written. मैंने प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेनेशन में नहीं दिया, सिर्फ मैंने पॉइंट्स की पॉइंट्स भेजे हैं आपको. ठीक है, यही मत सोच लेना कि यही आंसर है. आंसर कैन बी इन एनी ऑफ द वे. Reign of terror क्यों था? Strict policy adopt की, severe control and punishment. Whosoever will go against the convention will be punished as guillotine. ठीक है. उसके बाद इकोनॉमिक कंट्रोल उसने किस वे से किया? दैट इज सीलिंग ऑफ वेजेस एंड प्राइजेस. मीट एंड ब्रेड वाज राशन. White flour was forbidden. Only black, sorry, this you can say bread was given for equal bread was given to everyone. So that kind of thing was there. So principle of equality was also been ensured, like the title, special title of sir and ma'am was not there. Only citizen and citoyenne, that is citizen, only citizens were there. Quite out. And control over the church was also being considered, like control church के ऊपर कैसे किया गया? Church were closed and the building of the church were converted into barracks and offices. And which system was also being abolished during this period of time?
Feudal system.
Yes, feudal system. Feudal system was also abolished. ठीक है, ये सारे पॉइंट आपने इसमें करने हैं. सेकंड क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा. अभिनव, इज इट ओके बेटा?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Abhinav, read the third question.
From the PDF that you sent.
Yes, PDF which I had sent. Yes, बच्चे, hurry up.
Ma'am, I'm opening the PDF.
Okay. Be fast. अभी तक खोली नहीं आपने PDF? सबके हाथों में होनी चाहिए, तभी तो मैं अभी भेजती हूँ, ताकि ऊपर नीचे आपको ढूंढने में परेशानी भी ना हो.
मैम
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअली मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया क्लास.
Okay, बेटा जी, hurry up, Abhinav.
फोन थोड़ा स्लो है.
Yes, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी से.
The political, economic, and
Social conditions of France before and after French Revolution. आप देखिए, बहुत एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है ये. दिस इज कॉल्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. इसमें हमने क्या करना है? सोशल कंडीशन ऑफ बिफोर 1789 एंड आफ्टर 1789 and economic condition before 1789 and economic after and political condition. Same, तीनों ही conditions हमने before and after लिखनी है. So this question is understanding based question. आपको पूरा concept आता होगा तो you people will be able to write. Now who will be going to answer this? Manpreet. Manpreet, unmute. Manpreet, please unmute yourself, beta.
yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, बोलो
Yes,
बेटा.
ma'am.
थर्ड का आंसर
Ma'am,
बोलिए.
question.
थर्ड का आंसर.
Ma'am, Jean-Jacques Rousseau.
नो बेटा, थर्ड क्वेश्चन मैंने कहा है कंपेयर द सोशल political and economic.
Before 1789, condition of France. France was ruled by monarchy. Rule of King Louis XVI. Political powers were only with the clergy and nobles. The king found empty treasury as France under debt of 1 billion lives.
Okay.
Exemption of first and second estate of paying taxes. Socially, third estate was made to pay all the taxes. Discrimination with the people of third estate. Censorship to the written materials. No freedom to speech and expressions.
आराम से बेटा जी, अंडरस्टैंड करके बोलो, रट्टा मार के या देख के मत बोलो. हाँ जी, इशिता, what was the social condition of France before 1789?
Yes, ma'am. Before 1789, France was ruled by the king Louis XVI.
Very nice.
And the political powers were only with the noble people
And Kelogi. Okay.
clergy.
हाँ.
Or third estate has to pay taxes. There were discrimination faced by third estate. And
okay, after, what was the condition after? Kamaljeet, what was the condition of after 1789?
Ma'am, yes, France became a constitutional monarchy, political powers with the third estate, economic due to introduction of new constitution, economic condition of France grew well, taxes according to income and wealth.
हाँ जी,
no
taxes जो थे वो income और wealth के accordingly लिए जाते थे. It was not imposed as on everyone. It was not create a burden on third estate, as which section of society can pay the taxes, accordingly their income or wealth, the taxes were being imposed. Constitutional monarchy, this constitutional monarchy has given the rights also. Which three rights were given, Parneet? Constitutional monarchy has given the declaration of human right as a natural right. Which 3 rights were given under that?
Ma'am, right of equality, speech, and freedom.
Okay, that is freedom to speech and expression, rule of law and equality and freedom. ठीक है, speech and expression, equality and freedom, and rule of law. All these rights were considered to be as a natural rights, or it were given to the people. So another one more important was there, that no censorship in all the written material was being given. नेशनल असेंबली में सेंसरशिप को खत्म कर दिया गया. पहले क्या था, सेंसरशिप थी, ऑल पीपल वर नॉट हैविंग राइट टू से समथिंग, बट बाद में क्या किया गया, सेंसरशिप को खत्म कर दिया गया. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंडीशन ऑफ फ्रांस बिफोर एंड आफ्टर 1789. आप बता सकते हो, आप वो कर सकते हो फटाफट. Here king rule was there, constitutional monarchy was there, taxes were imposed on third people, taxes were imposed on the people on the basis of their salaries. ठीक है, no rights were given to the common people, rights were given to the common people. Equality was not there, equality, speech and expression was not there, it was there, censorship was there, no censorship was there, removal of censorship was there. So in this way you can do. Taxes were imposed only on third estate. ठीक है, Kalergi rule was there, here constitutional monarchy was there. So in this way also you can write your answer. It is not a tough chapter. अब tough लग रहा है आपको? लग रहा है? गौरी, read the next question. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question.
Which group of French society benefited from revolution?
Okay, बस इतना ही पढ़ो. Which group of French society were benefited from the revolution? अर्पित, कौन से सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी को फायदा हुआ था?
Ma'am, all the groups which formed the third estate were benefited from the revolution. These groups included workers, businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers, teachers, doctors, etc.
Very good. And which society has to give up the power?
Which society has to give up the power? The classes which formed the privileged sections of society, like the nobility and clergy, were forced to give up their executive powers.
Very nice. Okay. Third point क्या है? जल्दी बोलो बेटा.
Which sections of society would have been disappointed with the outcome of revolution? Naturally, the privileged classes would have been disappointed with the outcome of revolution because their privileges were taken away from them.
Very nice. So third section of society were getting the benefit. First and seconds who were given up their power, उनकी power छीन ली गई. हम ये सारा explain कर सकते हैं. But which section of society was would have been disappointed with the outcome of revolution? पहली चीज तो first और second ही नहीं हुई थी. थर्ड में हम यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं women were also get disappointed because the right to vote was also not given to the women. ठीक है, women भी disappoint हुई थी क्योंकि earlier women की condition हमने की थी, role of women हमने किया है, women were only forced to do the work at home or taking care of their families and doing all the domestic tasks, and they were not having right to get education. Legal divorce right was also not with them. उनके पास नहीं था, लीगल राइट नहीं था. ये सारी चीजें जो है ये फ्रेंच नेशनल असेंबली के बाद भी नहीं मिली. ये इनको कब मिलने स्टार्ट हुई? कन्वेंशन के बाद, when they formed their groups, clubs. उसके बाद इन्होंने अपनी डिमांड्स की, then they got the power. उनको फिर क्या क्या पावर मिली वुमेन्स को, और इसमें हम लिख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर हम ये पार्ट लिख सकते हैं कि women's were also disappointed. क्योंकि हम नेशनल असेंबली की बात कर रहे हैं तो नेशनल असेंबली तक वुमेन्स को कुछ नहीं मिला था. इज इट ओके टू एवरीवन? गॉट इट? Now read the fifth question, Arpit. Read the fifth question, Arpit, if you can read.
Ma'am, fifth question is analyzes the role of thinkers and philosophers in French society.
Okay, thinkers and philosophers कौन-कौन से थे? 5 थे, फटाफट बोलो। कमलजीत, कौन से थे?
Yes, ma'am.
फटाफट बोलो।
Ma'am, John Locke,
Very good.
Mirabeau,
हाँ,
Abesias,
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से बोलो।
Jean
हाँ,
Rousseau,
जे रूसो कर दो। जीन जे रूसो की जगह जे रूसो भी कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है। हमें कोई उसमें कुछ कहना नहीं है, हम लोग सिर्फ आइडियाज ऑफ थिंकर कह रहे हैं। जॉन लॉक, जे रूसो, मीराब्यू, मोंटेस्क्यू एंड अबेसाइड्स। गॉट इट? कौन से 5 नाम थे गौरी?
Montesquieu, J.J. Rousseau, Mirabeau, Abesias, and fifth वाला
मीराब्यू रह गया था।
Yes.
Okay. So, which ये सारे जॉन लॉक कौन थे? He was a great thinker. He has written the book. कौन सी बुक लिखी थी उन्होंने? जॉन लॉक ने
Two treatises of
government. और the social contract किसने लिखी थी?
जे रूसो।
Okay, social contract जे रूसो ने लिखी थी। उसके बाद what is third state किसने लिखा था pamphlet?
Abesias.
ने। मोंटेस्क्यू ने क्या आइडिया दिया था?
The spirit of the law.
Yes. So all these points can you write? Thinkers हो जाएंगे. They had also given the idea of legislative, executive and judiciary. They had also given the idea of equality, freedom. So these are the bundle of ideas which were being given by these thinkers to the common people and led to the path of a French Revolution. And even other countries of the world also get inspired. Other countries of the world like other German हो गया, रशिया हो गया, और हमारा इंडिया भी ले लो, हम लोगों के अंदर भी जो स्पार्क आया था, this was due to this reason, because French Revolution was the first revolution in the world. Number of other European countries also get inspired from these thinkers and get the idea of making themselves or converting themselves from the monarchy to the constitutional and then to the republic. Got it? Now, who will be going to read a next question? Raise your hand. कमलजीत, नूर, ओके, बस यही 2 बच्चे हैं। ये मेरे को लगता है मैं 5-6 बच्चों को ही पढ़ाने आती हूँ। विक्रम, unmute yourself. ओके, अंकित का भी हाथ खड़ा हुआ है। चलो आज अंकित आप बोलो। हरे आप।
Explain the rise of Napoleon.
Okay, explain the rise of Napoleon. Napoleon भारत कह रही हूँ। नेपोलियन फ्रांस में कब आया था? उसका राज कब हुआ था?
Ma'am, 1804.
Very good. That was done in 1804 when he because of instability in the directory rule done by the 5%, give the chance to the military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte to took a control on the and take his control on the France. So what kind of administrative measures he has done? So rise of Napoleon Bonaparte का first reason क्या था? Because of political instability in France led the way to the rise of Napoleon in 1804. What measures he has done? अंकित, कौन-कौन सी चीजें उसने की थी?
He has won small neighboring countries of the France. He introduced many laws which gave protection to private property, equal weight and nature system.
Very good.
He promoted trade and established industries.
Very good. और क्या किया था उसने? एक चीज उसने reintroduce कर दी थी. वो क्या किया था? कन्वेंशन
Feudal
ने बंद,
system.
यस कन्वेंशन ने बंद किया था और इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था, दैट वाज फ्यूडल सिस्टम और स्लेवरी। और सेंसरशिप इन्होंने बंद की थी, नेशनल असेंबली ने सेंसरशिप बंद की थी और इसने आगे दोबारा रीइंट्रोड्यूस कर दी थी क्योंकि ये अपना कंट्रोल करना चाह रहा था। यस नूरजोत।
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Uh, uh, what were the Jacobin clubs? Who were their leaders?
हाँ जी, who were their leaders? मनवीर, पिंक, 23 रोल नंबर। जैकोबिन क्लब्स तो आपको पता ही है, who were the leader? मनवीर नहीं, तानिश। ओके चलो तानिश। तानिश has raised his hand.
The leader of Jacobin Club was Maximilian Robespierre.
Very good. Baki, which section of society was there? Poor section of third estate society. All the
Yes,
shopkeepers, है ना?
they included shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers,
हाँ,
watchmakers, printers, as well as servants.
very good. So we can see less prosperous section of the society from third stage. ठीक है? They were the member of a Jacobin club. Jacobin club formed under the convention. Convention के अंडर बना था, ठीक है? And they had made different themselves different, like they had made their dress also. Dress कौन सी बनाई थी चाहत? Stripped trousers called sandclothers. Sandclothers. ठीक है, sandclothers. So they were wearing the red cap and symbolizing themselves as a different from the nobility. And what kind of things he has done that we had discussed? Should I discuss it again? बताऊं तुम्हें दोबारा क्या पता है सारा? जैकोबिन ने क्या क्या किया था?
एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दो।
Arpit, Jacobin Club was being formed by Maximilian Robespierre under the convention. He has made different measures, like उन्होंने dress बनाई, this less prosperous section of society was there, और उन्होंने dress बनाई stripes वाली trouser with red cap signifies as a freedom. So that dress bearers were considered to be as sandclothers. क्या कहते थे? Knee without breeches, ठीक है ना? Wearing knee without breeches, और that was there. और उसके बाद major उसने changes क्या किए थे? He has done develop a guillotine which was being developed by Dr. Guillotine. Whosoever go against the idea of them and who were the considered to be enemy of this Jacobins, they were the ex-noble person, ex-clergy person, or high officials. If they say something wrong about them, they were guillotined. Guillotine क्या था? It was two poles having a blade inside, and if anything is being done, that will be beheaded in that. That person will be beheaded. This kind of punishment was being given, and due to this severe control and punishment, ये severe control and punishment इसका main pattern बना. That is why his period from 1793 to 1794 we can consider that a severe control and punishment system was there. क्योंकि इसमें क्या था? मीट और ब्रेड को राशन कर दिया गया, wages and prices को fix कर दिया गया. Peasants were bound to give or sell the product of whatever they produce at the fixed prices to the cities. ये दे के आना था उनको हर हालत में, चाहे जहां पे गवर्नमेंट उस पे रेट पे. White floor was forbidden. White floor नहीं ले सकते थे सारे के सारे, और no any title of sir and ma'am was there. Only citizen and citoyen was being used as a citizen. So all these feudal system भी इसने खत्म कर दिया. ये सारे बेसिक पॉइंट्स जो हैं ये इसके कंट्रोल और स्फीयर कंट्रोल एंड पनिशमेंट सिस्टम में आए. प्राइजेस, वेजेस, सैलरीज, ये सारा फिक्स कर दिया. हाँ जी, कोई डाउट? एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? प्लीज आस्क. So slavery was being abolished like first by convention. Later on, after 10 years, Napoleon had reintroduced, but again, this slavery was going to take out all the natural rights of the common people, which was being proclaimed or given by the National Assembly. So this slavery was finally worldwide protection was being given. सारे वर्ल्ड की तरफ से प्रोटेक्शन हुआ. सो फाइनली जो है स्लेवरी वाज अबॉलिश्ड फ्रॉम फ्रांस इन 1848. कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हरी अप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एनीवन?
Explain the features of Constitution drafted in 1791.
हाँ जी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के क्या क्या फीचर्स थे? ये तो सभी को आते होंगे. जिसका हाथ नहीं खड़ा हुआ मींस उसको आते नहीं है. जल्दी बताइए बेटा. हरकीरत सिंह, ग्रीन, 20 रोल नंबर. फीचर्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जल्दी बताइए बेटा. आते हैं? ओके. साक्षी 9th, ग्रीन 23.
Yes, ma'am. The constitution made France a constitution monarchy. National Assembly was indirectly elected. Right to vote was given only to the men who were above 25 years of age and who
Very
paid
nice.
taxes equal to at least 3 days of a labor's wage.
Okay. And these citizens were called?
Active citizens.
Yes, these citizens were called as active citizens. Okay, fine. Next.
Power distribution was among different institutions. The Declaration of Rights of Man and Citizens was there. Right to life, right to speech, right to freedom of opinion and equality before law
Was also,
were
yes.
also in.
So all these points can you write by your own? There is no need to take any kind of help. Only the guideline you have to take from these keywords which I send you, and you can note, write your answer or elaborate your answer in the proper way for 5 marks. Will you be able? किसी को कोई doubt तो नहीं है? Map work I had also pasted over here. 4 points we have to done. That is Marseille, Bordeaux, Nantes, and Paris. Which is the capital of France? Ankit? Capital of France?
Paris.
Very good. And the 2 trade centers where the slave trade was being practiced?
And Bordeaux and Nantes.
Okay. 2 women clubs, Manpreet? Manpreet? नहीं. Harleen? I'm again explaining. Very good. Very nice. God bless you, bache. That is the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. These were the 2 women clubs. What were the demands of women? To get political, to get social and economic right. Political right, right to vote. Social right, get the equal right as education. They want to get education right. And economic right, get equal wages for equal work. Is it okay to everyone? So tomorrow we will be going to revise our economics chapter or geography chapter. Which chapter you want to revise?
Economics.
Okay, I will explain the economics chapter. Keep your books with you. Fine. Thank you, beta.